Miles to go before I sleep, miles to go before I sleep. I quote these lines from Robert Frost's Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening for my loving students, those who are very tired of attending online classes and in-house exams. Life is not a bed of roses. We have ups and downs in our life. We are not like to do what we bound to do, but we have to do it for the sake of our life. I am sharing all this to you because of your disappointing attendance in your online classes. Dear students, after night we have day, after dark we have lights. So please try to love what you need in your life. I inspire you all to participate in your class and prepare your class notes as well. Today, in this lesson, we are going to practice some problems regarding connectors. Let's move to our main discussion. So, what we are going to discuss in this lesson? Some practices on the basis of previous lessons, how to write down the answer in board exams regarding the question of the use of connectors, solution of previous exercises, homework, a soft alert of the next class. What will be the outcome of the lesson? You will learn the uses of different types of sentence connectors. By getting analysis, you can easily solve blanks regarding connectors. You will learn where and how to use sentence connectors in a sentence. You will be able to use different types of sentence connectors in statements. Here we have a text. Let's try to fill up the blanks with connectors. This text is about unemployment problem in Bangladesh. Let's try to solve this problem. Unemployment is a great curse. Dash, all the country of the world suffer from the curse. The statement indicates present moment or present time. So it is suitable to use nowadays here. Let's say, nowadays all the country of the world suffer from the curse. Dash, nowhere in the world this problem is so acute as in our country. Here we have contradictory statements, so we should use but as connector in this blank. Remember, but always joins two contradictory statements. So the answer is but. But nowhere in the world this problem is so acute as in our country. Dash, there are many reasons behind it. To indicate or to emphasize, we can use of course or obviously in this blank. Of course, there are many reasons behind it. Dash, our country is industrially backward. Firstly, our country is industrially backward. Here we have used firstly to indicate addition or listing. So, firstly is a suitable word for this blank. Dash, our traditional education system is service oriented. To add some other information, here in this blank, secondly will be used as a suitable connector. Secondly, our traditional education system is service oriented. To add more information, we have to use thirdly here. Thirdly, our students and youths have false sense of dignity. Dash, they run after jobs only. So, they run after jobs only. However, unemployment problem should be removed at any cost. Here, however, is used to contrast. Dash, Our education systems should be changed. For this, our education systems should be changed. Dash more mills and factories should be established. Besides, or moreover, more mills and factories should be established. Here, besides is used to mean addition. Practice number 2. This text is about education. Education is essential in our life. Let's try to do it. Education is essential in our life. Dash, we are not properly educated, we cannot lead an honorable life in society. This blank indicates condition. So here we will use if. If we are not properly educated, we cannot live an honorable life in society. So, if is a suitable word here. It teaches us dash how to earn but also how to spend. Without any delay, we will use the connector not only here because we all know that not only but also is a paired conjunction. These conjunctions are used to support pair statements. So, it teaches us not only how to earn but also how to spend. Dash, it teaches dash to live in amity with others in society. Besides, it teaches how to live in amity with others in society. Besides is used in blank number C to mean addition. Addition of the next sentence. So, besides will be a suitable word here to be used. In blank number D, in this blank our relative pronoun should be used as connector. Here, one thing to be noted that relative pronouns can be used as subject of adjective clause after noun or pronoun of main clause. Dash, we must get proper education. So, we must get proper education. So is used here to mean result, to indicate result. Dash, we should bear in mind dash, education is not only what we learn in educational institutions but also dash we learn outside in these institutions. So, but will be used in blank number F. Because here we have two contradictory sentences. Since two contradictory statements are about to join, in this place we should use but in this blank. But we should bear in mind that education is not only what we learn in educational institutions but also what we learn outside these institutions. Dash education is a lifelong process. In fact, education is a lifelong process. So, in this blank, we used in fact to put emphasis. It begins just after our birth and ends only in death. These two sentences are of same types. So here we have used end as connector. It begins just after our birth and ends only in death. Now come to practice number 3. This text is about time and tide, wait for none. If you want, then you can pause the video for a while. You can try to do it by yourself. After that, play the video again and match the answers. So here are the answers. So this text is about time and tide. Time and tide wait for none. Dash. No one can stop onward march of time. So in fact is the correct answer. In fact, no one can stop onward march of time. In fact is used here to emphasize. Dash, we should not waste a single moment in vain. Therefore, or that's why, we should not waste a single moment in vain. Rather, we should make proper use of every single moment of time. However, the students should understand the value of time. It is a matter of great regret that some of the students pass their valuable time in Facebook. However, is used here to mean addition. Thus, they kill their time. As a result, they cannot prepare their lesson well. And they always have a poor preparation for their examination. So, they cannot do well in the examination. But they do not stop wasting time. Nevertheless, they continue to waste their time using till it is too late for them. So, nevertheless is used here to mean contrast. Dear students, here you have the answers of your homework number 1. So many of you have tried to write down the answers. Just check this out. Trees are vital of our environment. In fact, they bear a great impact on the climate. Yet, we are not careful about them. Rather, we destroy trees at random. As a result, one day the country will bear the consequence of greenhouse effect. As ours is an agricultural country, our economy depends on agriculture, and trees play a vital role on our climate. For example, trees keep soil strong and protect it. Besides, trees save us from flood and many other natural calamities. Moreover, trees provide us timber, which is of great use specifically in construction works and for making furniture. Above all, trees are our best friends. So this is homework number 2. We must be aware of the dangers of smoking. So here are the answers. We must be aware of the dangers of smoking. It is harmful to us in various ways. It causes various diseases such as blood pressure, heart attack, bronchitis, cancer, etc. Moreover, it pollutes air. Besides, smoking causes harm to not only the smokers but also the non-smokers who remain by them. So, we should give up smoking because it is such great an addiction to get rid of it. Truly, nothing is impossible for us. If we are determined to give up it, we can certainly do it. Dear students, your homework will be try to note down these 5 exercises and practice it by yourself. In our next class, we will revise how to write down a summary. So that's the end of today's lesson. Take care. Thanks to you all.